Good morning students, Saira. Let us do the revision of EVS 1 lesson number 3 storage of water. Now children, your EVS 1 and EVS 2 paper both are going to be same. That is your EVS subject has two subjects in it, EVS 1 and EVS 2. Today we are going to do the revision of EVS 1 and that also of lesson number 3 storage of water. Before starting the revision, let me show you the paper pattern of EVS. Okay, it is going to be same for EVS 1 and EVS 2. So your EVS paper is going to be total of 20 marks. In that, look at the first Roman number. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. That will be of 5 marks. So you are going to fill in the blanks and you are going to choose the correct options. So options will be provided for you and you are going to choose the correct option. Okay, look at the second Roman number. Choose whether the following statements are true or false. Again, you have to choose whether the statement given is true or false. That is again of 5 marks. Then comes the third Roman number. Name the following by choosing the correct option. It can be answer in one or two words is also name the following. So name the following by choosing the correct option. That is again for 5 marks. And the last Roman number, answer the following by choosing the correct option. It can be in the form of one sentence or answer in one or two words again, but that is again of 5 marks. Now children, here you see for every question you have options. So it is going to be very easy for you unless and until you don't take it lightly. You have to learn for it. You have to go through the revision videos again and again. You have to go through your notes. You have to refer your notes properly, and then only you will be able to answer the correct answers in the question. Okay, so don't take any of the paper lightly. Refer to the notes given to you. Refer the revision videos again and again and get an idea and practice on your own. Okay, this is how you are going to solve your exam paper and it will be very easy for you, but you need practice. Okay, is that clear? Now let us start with the first Roman number, that is fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. I have taken a few examples of it. Look at the first one. Okay, this is going to be your head question. Now look at the first question of fill in the blanks. Water stored is in a dash is used to generate electricity. Okay, if you have not understood the question, read it again slowly and properly so that you understand it. Water stored in a dash is used to generate electricity. There are 3 options given to you. First option is dam, B option is wells, and the C option is river. So your correct option you are going to just choose here. I am ticking it, but in exam you are going to click on the correct option. So I am going to tick on dam because dam is the correct answer. Is that clear how you are going to do it? Okay, now so water stored in a dam is used to generate electricity. Okay, now look at the second one. Dash are dug to obtain rainwater that seeps deep inside the ground. Okay, 3 options again. A is dam, B is wells, and C is tanks. So what are dug deep inside the ground? Yes, the second option, that is D option, is your correct option. So wells are dug deep inside the ground to obtain rainwater. Okay, now look at the third one. Dash is a modern method of storage water system. Modern method. See, we have learned 2 types of methods in it. One is the traditional method and one is the modern or the recent water storage system. Here it is, the question is asked on modern method of storage water system. So you have to be very alert and you have to read the question very properly. Okay, so 3 options again. A option is wells, B option is water tanks at forts, and C option is bore wells. So wells, we know it is a old method, it is a traditional method. Water tanks at forts, forts were also in olden days, so again it is a traditional method. So what is remaining? Bore wells. So bore wells is your correct answer. So bore wells is a modern method of storage water system. Is that clear? See, try to connect it like that. Try to recollect what you have watched in the videos. Try to recollect what you have learned. Like that you will be able to solve the paper properly. Is that clear? Now look at the fourth one. In the past, dash were built on the hill forts by breaking the rocks. Okay, in the past. Okay, what were built on the hill forts by breaking the rocks? Three options again. A option is reservoirs, B option is panpois, and C option is drawbells. Now reservoirs are what? They are old water stores. That can be the correct answer. Panpois cannot be the correct option because it is a recent water storage system, and the question is asked about in the past. And drawbells again on the hill forts, no. Drawbells, no. So by breaking the rocks, what was built? Reservoirs were built. So in the past, reservoirs were built on the hill forts by breaking the rocks. So reservoirs is your correct answer. Did you get it? Now fifth one. Dash is the main source of water on the earth. Means the earth gets water from what? What is the main source of it? A option is rain, B option is river, and C option is panpois. So is it panpois? Is the C option right? No, because it is a drinking water stand. It is not the main source of water. It is just a thing of storing water. Are rivers the main source of water? No. But from where the rivers get water, the correct answer is rains. Okay, 1 minute. So rain is the correct option. Okay, so rain is the main water source of water on the earth. Now look at the second Roman number. Choose whether true or false. So you have to choose whether the following statement given to you is true or it is false. It is like right or wrong. Okay, look at the first one. Some of the old tanks are still in use. Okay, only some of the old tanks are still in use. Can you see some of the old tanks when you go to your villages or when you travel somewhere? Do you come across these old tanks? Yes, few means very rarely, but sometimes. So yes, the answer is true. Is that clear? Now second one. Water from panpois is only made available if price is paid. See, what is the question? Panpois water is available only if we pay the money, if we pay the price. Is it true or is it false? It is definitely false, because panpois are drinking water system which is available free of cost. So you don't have to pay any money for it. It is available for you at free of cost. Okay, so it is false. Now look at the third one. The remains of old water stores are seen at many places. The remains of old water stores, like wells, or you can say water tanks of forts. Is it true or is it false? It is definitely are seen at many places. So it is definitely false. You find it at only few places. So it is false. Okay. Now fourth one. The bore wells are very broad. Broad means they are very huge. They occupy a lot of space. Is it true? No, it is false. So bore wells are narrow. They are not broad. So the answer is false. Okay. Now look at the fifth one. Panpois are recent method of storage water system. Recent means modern method of storage water system. Is it true or is it false? It is definitely true. Okay. So you are going to take the true option. Is that clear? Now let us move on to the next one. Next question. Name the following by choosing the correct option. Okay. So options are given to you, but you will only choose the correct option if you have studied properly. Unless Even if we give you 10 options, then also if you have not studied, you will not be able to choose the correct option. So if you study well, if you refer the notes, if you refer the revision videos thoroughly, then only you will be able to answer correctly. Is that clear? Now let us see the first one in that. Traditional method of water storage in cities. Okay, in cities they have asked a method. Traditional means old one. Is it wells? First one, A option is wells, B option is tanks, and C options is reservoirs. So in cities, wells, no, it is, wells are traditional methods, but in cities, no, you find wells in villages, yes or no? So that is tanks is the correct option. Okay, so traditional method of water storage in cities, you can find tanks in cities more. Okay, now look at the second one. Small pot tied to a rope to draw water from wells. Okay, what is that small pot called which is tied to a rope to draw water from wells? A option is pohra, B option is bucket, and C option is tank. So what is it called? It is called, you all know the answer, it is called what? It is called pohra. So pohra is the correct answer. Okay, so a small pot tied to a rope to draw water from wells is called a pohra. Okay, now look at the third one. Dam built on Godavari river. So which is the dam? What is the name of the dam which is built on Godavari river? A option is Jayakwadi, B option is Ujni, and C option is Yeldari. So which is the correct one? Jayakwadi is the right option. So Jayakwadi is the dam which is built on Godavari river. Okay, so you're going to choose Jayakwadi. Now look at the fourth one. Dam built on Bhima river. Now which is the dam which is built on Bhima river? Now Jayakwadi was built on, Jayakwadi is not the answer. Okay, is it Ujni or is it Yeldari? What is it? It is Ujni. The B option is the correct answer. So Ujni dam is built on Bhima river. Okay, now look at the next one. Dam built on Purna river. Okay, which is, name the dam which is built on Purna river. A option is Jayakwadi, B option is Ujni, and C option is Yeldari. Now Jayakwadi and Ujni is already, we have already done. So what is remaining? It is Yeldari. So Yeldari, you will choose the option Yeldari. So Yeldari is a dam which is built on Purna river. Did you get it? So see, this is the way you are going to give your exams. You are going to read the question very slowly and carefully and try to understand and recollect what you have studied before, and it will definitely help you to answer the correct option. Is that clear? So thank you for listening to me carefully. Goodbye and take care. I'll come up with the next revision video of the next chapter very soon. Thank you. Take care.